Hi, this is Matt from Humbucker Soup. Today we're going to talk about using a power attenuator with your tube guitar amplifier. Now, power attenuators can be used to bring down the volume to a reasonable level. If you're running a 100 watt amp, a 50 watt amp, even a 25 watt amp can be too loud when you get it to that sweet spot. So with a power attenuator you can lower that volume down but still have the amp working in that sweet spot for the tone that you're looking for. Today we're going to use the Bugera PS1 Power Soak. On the front we have the soak control, which is your attenuation, and a line output level. On the rear we have your inputs, 4 ohm, 8 ohm, and 16 ohm. Those will correspond to the speaker output on your amplifier. Then an emulated line out, which you can run directly to a PA or to a recording console, and that will give you an emulated microphone sound. No need to mic the cabinet. The line output, which doesn't have any emulation, so you can run that directly to recording software, and then you could add like an IR cabinet and test different cabinets with the sound of your amplifier. And the last connection is out to the speaker cabinet. You could also run a passive load on that speaker output and then use this just like a load box, and it could be for a silent stage solution. So before I connect the power soak, I'm just going to play a demo with just the amplifier connected straight to the speaker. We have it mic'd up. We'll be able to see the level on the screen there, and we'll just get a bass. Basically I'm playing through a 5 watt amp prototype of mine, just a single 12AX7, an EL84 output tube, and I've got the master volume on 10 and the preamp on about 8. Okay, so we get an idea of what we see with no attenuation. So now we'll hook up the power soak and we'll see what it does. So now I've got the power soak connected. So if we watch the meter on the screen, we'll see it's already a little bit lower, because just inserting the power soak, even though we've got it at 100% still, it does split some of the load. So we're going to be a little bit down. Okay, so I've dialed in 50% attenuation. Let's see what that looks and sounds like. So we can see that made a big difference in the level. Now let's dial it down to 25%. Okay, so now we're at 25%. This is going to be a fairly low level since we only started out with about a 5 watt amp. But notice how we still have the same tone. Amp is still responding to the guitar in the same way. We just have a much lower volume coming out of the amplifier. So this is a way to tame a loud amp, to get it in a venue that maybe you're too loud coming off the stage, or to just get that sound you want at home. So now I've disconnected the speaker cabinet and I've connected an 8 ohm passive load to the power attenuator. All we're going to hear is the emulated mic output of the power attenuator through a PA. So it actually sounds quite good. So that could be a silent stage solution. If you don't have a load box, you can use your power attenuator as a load box. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.